Alright, so we've got an air fryer, first one we've had, so new air fryer basically. And I'm going to give it a shot. I've never cooked before, apparently it's supposed to be quite easy, so let's have a look. Okay, so first thing, oh, I should make sure, should take this stuff out of here. Alright, put that in there. Okay. Let's turn this thing on. Wrong switch. Alright, that's on. That's in. No paper in there. Alright. Okay, I just want to choose one side. Huh? Okay, I want to do this one. Oh, okay, so yeah, air fry. Number 2. It's going to preheat, so just hit start, I think. Alright, preheating. You got to make sure that this paper is not in there when it's preheating, otherwise the paper will burn. Alright. Also, when you put this paper in there, make sure it's weighted down, because it's like a tumble dryer in there. It's like hair dryers going off, and it'll blow this paper around if it's not weighted down, and then this will burn basically. So basically only put this in when it's got food in there, so it's holding it down. Alright, it's beeping now for add food. Preheating. Oh, whoa, it's saying it's cooking. No. Close basket. I will close basket. Let me put the stuff in first. Oh my god. I've not even got them ready. I'm supposed to put 8 in there. What am I going to do now? Oh, I'm going to have to get help. I'm going to get tech support. Oh, sugar. Alright, so I've been told to switch it from doing one side to doing the whole thing now instead, because I can't fit 8 in there. So if I double click this, oh, change. I have to cancel it, aren't I? Cancel. Right. Alright. Oh, no. No, 1 second. If I'm going to use the whole thing, I've got to take that separation thing out. Now that's probably going to be hot now, isn't it? Alright, safety first. Put that somewhere safe. Right, let's try again, shall we? Okay, and that goes. Basket closed. Air fry. Alright, start. Preheating. Yeah, that's fine. I was supposed to make 8 of them. Well, I'm going to make 9 of them now. And I couldn't fit 8 on there. I mean, look, I'll fit like 2 more there. And that's it. I'm going to make 9 now. While it's preheating the whole thing, probably a good time to ask if you can please hit subscribe. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start doing a giveaway for my subscribers. My first 1,000 will definitely be appreciated, and definitely the plan is for me to look after my first 1,000, because you guys are there from the start, if you know what I mean. So please do hit subscribe. I need to get to 1,000, and I'm getting there, but very slowly. Right, let's add food. I think it beeps 3 times before it just carries on, so... no, oh god, I don't know what this is like. Is this because I put my hands in there? This one seems safe to me. Oh my god. Oh, that was good, wasn't it? Oh gosh. What am I supposed to do here? Is this bringing my table? I don't know if it's not bringing my table or not. Oh, I don't like this. No. This is why I don't cook. Oh god. Alright. To be honest though, I would like to be able to cook. Just never get time, mate. You know what I mean? I'm always working. So I'm gonna make some space between them. All right. Air needs to circulate between them, I believe. Scared of bending myself. Can you tell? I think there's enough space around them, isn't it? Yeah. You know what? Let me get this checked by the Inspector General. 1 second. Right. Okay. It's going for it. Oh, while this is going, I should mention I didn't add any oil to this because the hash browns are kind of greasy feeling, and apparently that means that they already have some oil in them. So you will get certain foods that already have oil in them, and those you won't need to add oil to. Alright. I think it's like potato-y things, waffles, chips, fries, hash browns. I think breaded things like fish fingers, etc. maybe you'll need to add a bit of oil or something to them. But yeah, just bear in mind, some things already have oil in them, so you won't need to add it. Something I learned today. So, there you go. And if you like this kind of stuff, then please do hit subscribe and hit like, and I'll do more of them. You can have a complete newbie to cooking like me get into groups with an air fryer and starting to cook maybe. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, do hit subscribe and I'll make more of them. Oh, and I don't think it burnt my surface when the tray came out. When it was preheated, I don't think it burnt anything. Nothing looks burnt. Yeah, no, I think we're alright. Just realised that number 6 is a countdown timer that in minutes. So I don't just have to sit here looking at flashing bars. That's alright, isn't it? Alright, so now it's all noisy in here, so different to before. Oh, I just had a notification there to turn the food, and it's ended. I didn't turn the food. It did say turn the food. Now it's ended, so I think it'll be fine. Alright, here we go. 1 sec. Let me get a heat mat. I believe that I should be getting a heat mat, so. It's one of these, like old school, you know. Put that down. And put the big. Oh, it's sizzling. Put the big humongous beast on there. Apparently that should be alright, I believe. Right, so there you go. There's my Pride and Joy apparently. I don't know if they're like cooked or not. They look alright, but should I have turned them over? I think I'm gonna have to ask the inspector. 1 sec. Okay, the Inspector General has said to flip them all over and give them 3 or 4 more minutes because they're not golden brown. And I'm going to agree with that ruling because, yeah, they don't look ready to me. So they got, and can you see there's like little bits of grease and that showing now? So that's the oil. Did I flip this one? Why do I feel like I flipped this one? Oh no, I don't know if I flipped that one or not. I think I did. So now, I don't think it'll need to preheat again, will it? I don't think it needs to preheat again. Let's see what happens. So if I do air fry, and if I just do start, I should have set a timer, shouldn't I? Why is it preheating? Oh man. Basically, it's preheating right now because I had the basket thing open for too long. So apparently it should preheat quickly, and then we're back on. If I give it 3 or 4 minutes, it should be sorted. I should have set a time on here. Oh! Huh? I think, can I set a time? I'll do 4 minutes. I wonder if that's preheating time. Surely not. I'll see what happens. I've just checked with the Inspector General, and yeah, the time there, when I've set it, it's not setting preheating time, it's going to set cooking time. There is no preheating time, so we're good. And apparently it should preheat quickly because it was just hot a second ago, and hopefully that shouldn't really affect the heating of the food or the basket, you know. Alright, it's saying add food. The food's already in there, so if I just ignore it, yeah, it's cooking now, it's going to air fry. Alright, 4 minutes. Right, it's saying turn food, yeah. I've already turned it though, but it tricked me there. Anyway, I've already turned it, so. Have you seen that? Look at that. Look at that. It's ridiculous. Every single one. That is mad. Crazy. 30 seconds left. Everybody hit subscribe quickly. Subscribe for more of this. I'll go through my cooking journey. Cookbook out by the end of this year. What do you reckon? Noob's Guide to Air Frying. New York Times bestseller. Here we go, guys. Look, there we go. It's best bit. Look at that. Look at that. Right, here we go. Alright. Okay, come on. Up. Yeah. Sizzling. I mean, they look a bit better, but I suppose that's why I don't cook, because I suppose I'd probably overdo them. I reckon they're probably done now. Yeah, they feel like they're quite crispy and done. That looks a bit light now. I flipped it over. What is this? What am I supposed to be doing here? That looks a bit light still. Oh, give me a sec. We're going to go for a bit more. I'm going to try and do it faster so it doesn't preheat again. Get back in there. Air fry it. Start. It's preheating again. I suppose that's a standard thing then, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to do what? Another 4 minutes? I suppose it's a good thing that you can keep putting it in like an hour, but I suppose you're just cooking it over and over, aren't you? Yeah. I think that the hash browns being inside it while it's preheating, maybe that's affected it. I don't know. Alright, moment of truth again. End. Alright, yeah, got it. Okay. Ooh, sizzling. Alright, I think they look better. They look better. That one's a bit bright, but that's just a light on it, really. Yeah, I'm going to go for these as better. Yeah, they're good. We're good there. We're sorted. That is saying close the basket. But these are done. Okay, so yes. Yeah, it's just like a normal oven in a way. It's just a bit more like fancy, faster. Bit, yeah. There's no air fryer instructions on the food things just yet. Maybe you'll get the odd one or two. Also, it'll differ depending on how powerful your air fryer is, so there's that as well. So yeah, anyway, that's that done. I'm going to now eat these. Just put some mayo all over them. But yeah, please do hit subscribe and like and comment, but mainly subscribe. Please help me get to 1,000. Hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you did. I'll make more of them, and together let's learn how to use an air fryer. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.